And welcome back to an update. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I'm updating you now on my trading card situation. Change Checker have bought out 3 definite series and there is a belief that they've started a 4th. In series 1 I've got all of them, and they range from the EEC Presidency 50p, D-Day, then you've got NHS, Suffragettes, Roger Bannister with his sub 4 minute mile, BC Heroes, then we've got the Scouts, and of course the very rare Kew Gardens. Now these cards, there's 210,000 Kew Gardens made. I believe there's only 210,000 of this trading card made. So the vintage matches the amount of cards that were printed. Carrying on with season 1, or series 1, we've got the Girl Guides, Olympic cycling, Olympic table tennis, weightlifting, WWF, Benjamin Britten, Battle of Hastings, Jemima, and Peter Rabbit from 2017. And the last 5 cards in series 1 were Benjamin Bunny, which of course is the highest minted card around, Isaac Newton, which is one of the rarer coins, Paddington at the Station. Series 2, we've got the Stars, or the UK entry into the EEC, as its Sunday best name is. Olympic Athletics, Aquatics, Olympic Aquatics, Boccia, Boxing, Olympic Canoeing, Equestrian, Judo, Christopher Ironside, Team GB, the Beatrix Potter Anniversary, the 2016 Peter Rabbit, the 2016 Mrs Tiggywinkle, and the 2017 Jeremy Fisher. Continuing series 2, we had Tom Kitten, the Representation of the People Act, Paddington at the Palace, Mrs Tittlemaus, Flopsy Bunny, and the Tailor in Gloucester. Series 3, we have the EE Hands, or the UK accession to the EEC, the Commonwealth Games Edinburgh, or is it Glasgow, sorry, from 2014, Squirrel Nutkin, Peter Rabbit 2018, Sherlock Holmes, Paddington at the Tower, Paddington at St Paul's, Olympic Archery, Badminton, Basketball, Fencing, Gymnastics, Football, Go Ball, Handball, Hockey, Pentathlon, Rowing, Sailing. Then the first of the 2 cards that I haven't got from the 3rd series, which is Shooting. Then you've got Taekwondo, Tennis, Triathlon, Volleyball, Weightlifting, Wheelchair Rugby, and the final one is Wrestling. Now I have a placement card for that at the moment. I do have it hopefully coming to me shortly. So I'm only missing 1 from series 3, which is Shooting. Now this is the more controversial one. We're not sure whether series 4 has started because there's been no notification from Change Checker, or whether this is just an extension of series 3. But 2 of the ones that I've got are Libraries and Dictionary, and the one I'm missing that we know about is the VC medals. Now, Should any of you have VC medals, wrestling or shooting, I would like to hear from you. My email is in the description down below. Please email me. I've got plenty, and I mean plenty. I've got something like about 60, 70 cards I can swap. So if you do have those spare and the ones that you're missing, please contact me and we'll see if we can come to an arrangement. So that's this particular video now completed. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a bit of an appeal for me because I'm missing 3 cards. But if any of you have got those 3 cards, please, my email's in the link is down below. Please email me and tell me what cards you need and I'll see if we can do a deal. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't take a second and it helps the algorithm no end towards me being put in front of new people, or my videos being put in front of new people. For those of you who are returners, or even if this is your first time and you've enjoyed this and want to continue seeing me go through my journey through coins, banknotes and other collectibles, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you with me, and I am quite honestly looking to grow the channel as much as I can over the next year or two. So any help you can give me, I would gladly appreciate. Lastly, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins from the net, or you're collecting these cards or whatever, I hope you can get what you're looking for the price that you want to pay, or swap, whatever. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-da now, bye bye.